Hey guys, Steven here. So in this video, I want to do a quick review going over a tool that I highly recommend using if you're an Amazon influencer. Matter of fact, if you're not using this tool, I can pretty much guarantee that you're not only doing things the hard way, but you could also be making a lot more money if you were using this tool. So what I want to do in this video is just show you guys what this tool is and how I use it to find profitable Amazon products to review. So the tool that I'm talking about is a Google Chrome extension called Fluencer Fruit. If you've never heard of it, it's a software that was designed to help Amazon influencers eliminate the guesswork when it comes to figuring out what Amazon products you should be reviewing. I've personally been using Fluencer Fruit now for about 2 years, and I can tell you without a doubt that the sole reason why I've been able to consistently generate influencer commissions is pretty much because of this extension. When I first got approved for the program, I thought the only thing I needed to do was just review Amazon products. And yes, that is essentially what you need to do. But what I also learned over time was that not every product is actually worth reviewing. And that's primarily because a lot of other products have already been reviewed by other influencers. So if you're simply reviewing products that have already been reviewed by 5, 10, or even 15 other influencers, it's going to be pretty hard to make any type of money. So you really have to focus your time, energy, and money on products with high demand and very little competition. And those are the types of products that Fluencer Fruit helps you find. I actually had someone leave a comment on one of my videos stating that they had reviewed over 300 Amazon products and had only made around $350, which I thought was absolutely insane. But I knew immediately as soon as I read that comment that she was pretty much making the same exact mistakes that I was making when I first got approved, which was reviewing products that most likely weren't getting a ton of sales or had already been reviewed by other influencers. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate how I utilize Fluencer Fruit to find profitable Amazon products. So one of the first places that I like to go whenever I'm looking for Amazon products to review is inside of the new releases. And this is where you're going to find products that are getting a ton of sales. And since some of these products are brand new, as in like they're just now hitting the Amazon marketplace, you can often find a lot of products that haven't already been reviewed by a ton of other influencers. So from here, what I like to do is just start going through some of these departments, and I like to go through departments that I usually buy products from. So for example, one of the departments that I like to buy products from is the automotive department. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So what you're currently looking at right now is going to be the top 100 best-selling new releases inside of the automotive department. And one of the things that probably stood out immediately is going to be the information that's listed below. This is the information that's being provided by the Fluencer Fruit extension. So you're going to see really important information like whether that product has an upper video carousel, which is super important. And I'm going to talk about why it's really important a little bit later on in the video. But you can also see whether you have a video for that product. You can see whether that product is low in stock. You can see the amount of daily sales that product is getting, as well as what the influencer commission rate is. Now, a really cool thing that you can do is you can just come over here and just click on the Fluencer Fruit Chrome extension, and that's going to open up this window right here. That's going to allow you to see all the products on this page. So you don't have to do all that scrolling up and down or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is just click on this button to make it the full size of the window. And what I like to do from here to make things super easy and to quickly filter out products that are actually worth reviewing is just come over here and just sort all of these products by the highest score. Now that we have it all sorted, I'm going to just let you guys know that I typically don't look at any products with a score below 70. That's just my personal preference and what I have found to work the best for me over time. But now that we have it sorted, you can see that we have a product right here that has a score of 93. And this is automatically a product that I'm interested in just because of the score, but we can also take a look at some of these other metrics. Now, one of the things that sticks out to me immediately is the fact that this product is currently getting 66 sales per day. Now, this number is just an estimate, but assuming that that product is actually getting roughly 66 sales per day, and combining that with the influencer commission rate, which is $1.44, if this information is correct, we can assume that that product is generating around $95 per day, which is really great because we're looking at roughly $2,800 per month. So that is definitely a winning product, and that's a product that I would definitely be interested in buying and reviewing. But we still want to look at some other things to make sure that this product is indeed a product that we want to invest our money in so that we can review it. And one of the other things that I like to look for is whether that product has a upper video carousel. So if we scroll over here, you can see that this column tells us that that product does indeed have a upper video carousel, and it currently only has one video in that carousel, and that video actually belongs to the to the brand seller, which means that right here, we don't have any other competition that we need to worry about. The only video in that carousel is from the seller. And this right here says that there's 0 other influencers. So this product to me is a product that I'm absolutely interested in. Now, the reason that you want to prioritize products that have an upper video carousel is because that is where the majority of your views are going to come from. And the more eyeballs that you can get on your videos, the more money you're going to make. And just in case you guys don't know what the upper video carousel is, I'm going to just go ahead and open up this product right here in a different window so that I can show you what the video carousel is and why it's so important. So this is the product that we were just looking at that had a really high score of 93. And what typically happens is whenever somebody clicks on this product, you know, because they're interested in it, they're going to start going through the product images, right? So they're going to click on this picture, click on that one, and then they're eventually going to land on this right here. And if I click on this, that's going to open up the video carousel. And just like we saw from Fluencer Fruit, it said that there is only one video and that video belongs to the brand seller, which is what this video is right here. And if you look below it, it's completely empty. All the slots are currently open. So if we had a video for this product right here, the person who's interested in this product is gonna see one video from the brand seller, and then that other video is going to be our video. And if we did everything correctly by showcasing what the product can do and hopefully answering, you know, whatever questions they may have, then that is going to increase the likelihood that they're going to purchase that product as a result of watching our review, which is obviously going to earn us a commission. So that's really why you want to prioritize products that have a upper video carousel, because it's going to be the easiest way for people to see your review. And from my experience, as well as talking to other influencers, I know that the majority of commissions that they earn are indeed coming from products that have a upper carousel. So that right there, guys, is the exact process that I have been using over the last 2 years to find profitable Amazon products to review. And as you guys can see, Fluencer Fruit literally eliminates the guesswork and makes it super easy to find products that are getting a ton of sales and haven't already been reviewed by other influencers. And that is what's going to give you the ability to be one of the first influencers to review a lot of these products. So that's just one of the reasons why I love this software and recommend it to any influencers watching this video, because it's just going to save you so much time and just take the guesswork out of it. So if you're one of the influencers that are still struggling to find profitable products to review, I would definitely recommend checking out Fluencer Fruit. And if you look in the description of this video, you're going to find a link to a 14-day free trial. So I recommend at least just giving it a shot and just taking advantage of that 14-day free trial. And I promise you, you will not regret it. So give it a shot, and thanks for watching.